Abdul in Manchester. Good morning, Abdul.
Yeah, hi mate, you alright?
Yes?
Quick question to Nick.
Yes, Abdul, fire away.
He claims that you have 3 West Indians members joining your party per day.
No, 3 Sikhs, actually, I said.
Three seats, sorry.
Yeah.
How many Muslim votes, how many Muslim members do you have in your party? Because you haven't got any.
I don't know. I think quite possibly we haven't got any.
You haven't because you're anti-Muslim, that's why.
I'm not...
Your policy are anti-Muslim. You don't like Muslim people, full stop.
I'm not anti-Muslim, I'm anti-Islam.
What's the difference between anti-Muslim and anti-Islam?
Because Muslims...
Love the sinner, hate the sin. Is that the sort of thing?
No, a Muslim who's particularly a devout follower of their religion is quite possibly a better neighbour than someone who hasn't got any religion at all.
No, I'll correct you, right? The 2 million Muslims in this country, yeah? 2 million.
Yes.
Majority of Asian people, yeah?
Yep.
None of them are going to vote for you, your party because you're anti-Muslim. You don't like Muslim people. You don't like Asian people. Yeah?
No, it's not a matter of not liking Muslim people. I look at Islam realistically. I've read the Quran, and what I see there isn't fundamentally a religious book. It's a manual for conquering other people's countries, and wherever Islam has gone, it has what's been called by historians bloody borders. It rubs up against other cultures. You can't have Islam and democracy. You can't have Islam and women's rights.
The bottom line, I'm born in this country, right?
Yep.
I fulfill all these state wishes, yeah? I'm a Muslim. I'm proud of this country as well. I don't need people like you going around Britain hating Muslims.
As I say, we don't hate Muslims. We just regard an Islamic bloc in this country and in the West as something that's going to cause trouble. And equally, it's wrong for the West to go and try and de-Islamify the Muslim world. But your world and ours really don't mix. It's as simple as that.
No, it's not. That's nonsense, that, man. Nonsense. You're deluded.
Well,
you are.
There are plenty of people, don't they, who live side by side with each other and have perfectly good neighbours from all creeds and cultures. And that's to say your world and my world don't mix. What do you mean by that?
That, in the case of, say, West Indians or Sikhs or whatever, they come here and their values are really quite close to ours. That's very easily assimilable. But when you have an Islam...
I work with white people every day. I work with young children every day.
Yeah.
How can you say something like that? Especially me being a Muslim.
Yeah.
I consider every people in this country, yeah?
Yep.
You specifically hate Muslim people. You think we got integrated?
Okay, let him answer. It's the last answer.
I don't hate Muslim people. I simply look at a religion which says that a woman is of less value than a man, which says that you should be harsh to your neighbours, that says that you should do everything you can to spread your religion across other people and make your way dominate the world. And I don't want to see the black flag of Islam flying over 10 Downing Street.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Listen.